Scissors University Copyright. What do you need to know about scissors? Tension settings. Commit to 10 seconds daily, and awaken your scissors potential. Without standards for daily maintenance, upper hand control, thumb pressure, and then supported with reliable knowledge, how can a scissors performance, or even your own skills, be evaluated properly? It was vital to start developing and refining your basic career disciplines on day one. The second best time is today. Your scissors can only follow your instructions, so let's get started. Allow them the opportunity to produce that perfect haircut. Checking the tension on your scissors is second to no other function. It even supersedes the importance of sharpness. Every aspect of a scissors performance depends on the quality of materials that the tension system is made of, and then your vigilance in respecting its purpose. When purchasing a scissor, special attention should be spent on examining, testing, and understanding the new tension system. Despite the tension's importance to a scissors function, many scissor brands have been known to use defective parts. There is not just one tension system for all scissors. The tension setting determines the longevity of the scissors edge, thumb pressure, upper hand control, and how everyone will evaluate the quality of your cutting skills. This is what you need to know about scissors, so bring your scissors to this class. Adjusting scissors is your daily responsibility. Checking, and then possibly adjusting the scissors tension setting, is your daily responsibility. Yes, I really did say that this routine is a daily commitment. Always clean and oil every scissor before attempting to adjust them, to assure your effort was worthwhile. Tension is the ability of the blades to gently press against each other. This allows the blades to cut hair effortlessly, and with precision. Choosing to ignore the importance of this daily maintenance will cause premature dulling, or damage to the scissors edge, and it will hinder your ability to create precise cutting results. What type of tension system is on your scissors? Each pair of scissors has one correct tension setting. The type of tension system that is on your scissors determines that setting, and there are only three. Your scissors tension system will match one of the three types described. System A, sometimes called a click or ratchet system, is quite common and reliable. Tension systems that has any type of external, or recessed nut, and clicks when turned with your fingers, or when using a special tool. Again, what is important about this system, is that the tension nut clicks when it is turned. The other two system types do not click. System B. This system is also called a standard screw tension. It is dependable and has been universally used for centuries. A very common tension system that has a screw with a slot, and will fit a flathead screwdriver, or a coin if the slot is wide. This screw system does not click. System C. A pressure type tension system, and it is not as common on newer scissors. A tension system with any type of external, or recessed nut, and it does not click when turned. Many of these systems will have a metal umbrella-shaped washer connected to the tension nut, or a rubber washer, embedded in the tension nut to create resistance. It is not recommended to place oil directly under this type of tension nut, as the oil will cause the nut to loosen easily. System C, in my opinion, is not the best option. Now that you have determined your scissors tension system, follow the steps provided for that system. Once you become accustomed to this routine, setting the tension takes about 5 seconds, and then the same amount of time is needed to clean and oil them. Remember, only clean scissors will adjust easily. There are 2 logical steps that allow you to accurately check, and then correctly adjust the tension on your scissors. Each time you set the scissors tension system, start with step 1 and 2. Then finish with each scissors appropriate setting. Step 1. Always start by holding your scissors straight up by the thumb ring, with the tip positioned at 12 o'clock. The finger ring blade position is at the 9 o'clock. Step 2. Gently release the finger ring blade, checking to see if it will close, or balance at the 9 o'clock position. The scissor needs to feel smooth, and move freely before attempting to set the tension. You are now ready to make your final tension adjustment, for either system A, B, or C. Be sure that the scissor blades are closed when adjusting the tension. This is important. Always adjust in small increments, and test frequently. System A. First follow step 1 and 2. For tension systems that click when you turn it, the finger ring blade should balance lightly at 9 o'clock. Once the finger blade is balanced at 9 o'clock, make a slight straight downward hand movement. The blade needs to close easily and stop at 10 o'clock. When the blade closes at 10 o'clock, you are done. Test the scissors for a smooth closure. If the blade feels too tight, does not close smoothly, or if it is too loose, close the scissor and readjust until it is correct. Always start this process with steps 1 and 2. See the picture examples of System A. System B. First follow step 1 and 2. For a tension system that needs a screwdriver or a coin to adjust, gently release the finger ring blade that is positioned at 9 o'clock and it should easily stop at the 11 o'clock. When the blade closes at 11 o'clock, you are done. Test the scissors for a smooth closure. If the blade feels too tight, does not close smoothly, or if it is too loose, close the scissor and readjust until it is correct. Always start this process with steps 1 and 2. See pictures of System B. System C. First follow step 1 and 2. This setting is for a tension system with any type of external, or recessed nut, and it does not click when turned. Gently release the finger ring blade that is positioned at 9 o'clock and it should easily stop at the 10 o'clock. When the blade closes at 10 o'clock, you are done. Test the scissors for a smooth closure. If the blade feels too tight, does not close smoothly, or if it is too loose, close the scissor and readjust until it is correct. Always start this process with steps 1 and 2. See pictures of System C.
Thank you for attending the ScissorsTension Systems class. Your comments and ideas are welcome here. Please consider being a guest lecturer at the Scissors University, and share your scissor knowledge with other like-minded individuals. Submit your article at any time for approval at sellingscissors.com.